I get it. So thank you for sunshine, God. I get it what you mean. You're thankful, God. Thank you for
But yeah,
sunshine.
yeah.
Thank you for rain.
Yeah. Kasi kung hindi ako magiging thankful, sino ba ako? Like life is already given. Binigay na yun sa'yo, and then it's up to you kung isang direksyon mo dadalhin yung buhay. So, I would say, God, thankful, whatever it is, struggle or whatever it is, thank you, putting me through it, because in the long run, it's gonna be beneficial to me. I know there's a reason, there's a purpose na you make me go through this.
Yeah.
So, I'm just being thankful.
Yeah. It's good. You're just faith,
Yeah. And then, at the same time, hindi talaga nawawala sa prayers ko yung God, direct me and guide me kung ano man yung ano mo sa akin. So, yun. That's how I communicate to God.
That's good.
But yeah.